Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tax in Zoho Books quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or handling accounts for a larger company, setting up taxes properly is critical for accurate reports and compliance. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to configure tax settings in Zoho without confusion. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Books login page. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you a snapshot of your financials and activities. Now, to access the tax settings, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Taxes and Compliance. This is the section designed to help you manage tax-related details for your business. Inside this section, click on the Taxes tab. Here you'll see any existing tax rates you've already configured, along with the option to add new ones. To create a new tax, click on the New Tax button. A form will appear where you'll enter your tax details. Start with a clear and recognizable tax name, something like VAT 10% or sales tax 5%. This makes it easy to identify later when you're creating invoices or bills. Next, enter the tax percentage. Be extra careful here because even a small mistake in the rate could lead to compliance issues or inaccurate reports. Once you've entered both the name and percentage, scroll down and click Save. Your new tax is now active and ready to be applied in your Zoho transactions. You can repeat this same process if you need to add multiple tax rates for different regions or services. And that's it. You've successfully added a new tax in Zoho Books. Taking a few minutes to set this up properly will save you headaches later and keep your accounting clean and compliant. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to manage taxes in Zoho more effectively. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more 2025 Zoho tips and tricks.